What's up, guys? Welcome back. So glad you made it to the DMV channel. Today we're putting big brakes on our LS Miata. Let's get to work. So today we're doing all the brakes on the Miata. We're doing hard lines. We're doing the biggest Miata brake kit you can put on it without buying a big brake kit. So they're 2004 brakes, like sport brakes. They're quite a bit bigger than a 1.8 or 1.6. We're also obviously doing a power brake delete and going with manual brakes. We wanted to do a turbo car, and sometimes turbo cars have a hard time building vacuum. So the way to overcome that is obviously manual brakes. We're using a Mustang 1-inch Master Cylinder. Before we mount it in the car, we need to build our push rod, which we're just using a bolt and the stock Miata end. And it's pretty simple. We'll cut it, we'll round it smooth. It'll go in the Master Cylinder, and there'll be a little bit of adjustment here. And then we've got to run a hard line from our proportioning valve to our rear port on the Master Cylinder. Get it mounted in the car and keep moving forward. That'll work really good. I got an idea. Hand lathe. It is almost snack time. All right, full disclosure. Have no idea what I'm doing. Have never done this before. No clue. Watch some YouTube videos. Hopefully it helped. So we made I was on a job site and they had a bunch of wire grid, and I found some scrap in the trash. And so, I mean, we're gonna try that, and hopefully that'll keep our waste down. That is a perfect inverted flare. I mean, look at that. That tool makes me look like a champ. All right, it's a new day. I snuck out a little early while Isaiah ate breakfast. Mounted the splitter for the front brakes. Ran another line. Mounted the proportioning valve with some bolts. Overall, it turned out pretty good. Looks really good. I'm happy with it. Now we gotta get this thing mounted in the car. Alright, something like that. Let's see if we can get it bent and get it back in there. Alright, the front one's on, it's bolted. It's kind of in an area we tried to protect it from you know, if you have a blowout, you don't want it ripping the brake lines off. But nothing's rubbing. Looks pretty good. Already got our stainless steel brake line on, ready for a caliper. So let's go do some more. All right, master cylinder's on. Now it's time for calipers. So when we first bought the Miata, I ran out to Rock Auto, ordered some drilled and slotted rotors. I thought they looked pretty cool, but when I got them, I'm like, these are tiny. There's no way they're gonna work. So then I found out everybody puts 1.8 brakes on it. So 1.8 is quite a bit different. The more I read, the more I found out that the sport brakes are the way to go. So look at that. They're bigger than the 1.8 and they tower over the 1.6. Look at the difference in pads. Look at that. It's freaking insane. So, and I got less than 200 bucks in all this. So that's what we're gonna work on next. All right, we've got all the hard lines ran all the way to the back. Master cylinder is in. Big brakes from the Miata Sport is in. Brake lines ran. Stainless steel new lines up front. Stainless steel new lines for the back. Isaiah is mounting that side. How's it going, Isaiah? Good. And that is going to be it for this video. Thanks for sticking it out with us. We'll see you next time.